close and load to. So I'm going to click here, close and load to. So once I press close and load to, it will go to the Excel. And then what I want to do is, I want to load as pivot table in the existing sheet. And I'm going to press OK. And just like that, it will load as a pivot table. So what I want to do now is, I just want to take the RM and I want to take the months. So we have January up to March. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to press here right click. And then I want to do number format, accounting. So I don't want the symbol and I don't want the decimal places. Press OK. And there you go. And then I want to copy this and I'll just put it over here. So now we also have here monthly data. This case, I don't want the monthly data. Instead, I unselect the months. I put the products. So we have the products. And I also want to put the region across the columns. So just like that. So what I'm going to do is, I'll try to sort. So maybe I go over here, right click, sort largest to smallest. So we can see who dominates the market and so on. And then I'm going to go the same thing, Control A, Control C. And I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so this time I don't want the product, I don't want the region. Instead, I only want the models. So for models, I don't want everything. Instead, what I'm going to do is value filter, and I'm going to put here top 5. So the top 5 data, and there you go. And I want to sort this from largest to smallest. Right click, sort largest to smallest. So there you go. And if just say you want to do some addition, so I'm going to put here RM over here. And this one, I want to put percentage of grand total. So I'm going to change here, right click, show value as percentage of grand total. So here we do have this data, what is the performance and so on. And over here, what I'm going to do is, I just want to put the cumulative. So I'll just put here RM one more time, RM again one more time to show the cumulative and trending. So here I'll put here right click and show value as, we just put here running total in and we press OK. So will show us the cumulative 311. We can just press right click, number format, and go to accounting, no symbol and no decimal. So it will show us the accumulated data. Okay, and here I want to put the trending. So right click and then show value as percentage different from, and I want to put here previous. So the base item will compare based on the percentage different of the previous. I press OK and there you go. So let me just insert a row over here. So this one is month on month analysis. Over here is basically the sales of Apple products across several regions. And over here lastly, this one is basically we want to know the top 5 Apple product models. Okay, so let me just copy one more time, copy this and paste it over here. So for this case, here we can see the allocation, and here I don't want the allocation. Instead, I only want the bar chart to appear. So pivot table analyze, pivot chart, and I'm going to put here bar. And I just want to clean the cosmetics. So I'll just go here, put here, untick the legend, untick the grid lines, put data label, remove this x-axis, hide this fill button, hide all button, and then what I want to do is I want to sort in a descending format. So select this, right click, format axis and categories in reverse order. So there you go. So let me just cut this over here, cut, and let me paste it over here. So right now what you notice is we do have this presentation whereby we also have the month-on-month analysis, top 5 Apple product, the Apple products sales across several regions. But